Thank you so much for staying here with us. Why were you looking at me?
Did you like that song before we went on break?
Pasuma can't collect. Amaka can't collect. So at some point I was like,
What's happening?
What's happening?
It's revolving, and he has always been doing it. I think Wasu
Masha, he does it. So yeah, I understand, and I always enjoy. I think there was one that he did with Olamide.
Yes,
I really enjoyed it, but this particular one I did not understand.
It all
why you me more? But I'm for when you revolve, when you are always evolving. Trend. Yeah, you're following the trend and you're moving with time. It's always very good for me. Fantastic. Well done, Pasuma. Okay, let's get straight into the entertainment news. I know that a lot of people have been waiting for this particular one, so let's do this. Cubana Chief Priest and EFCC to settle out of court. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, and celebrity barman Pascal Okechukwu, aka Cubana Chief Priest, have agreed to settle the Naira abuse charges slammed against him out of court. This was made known on Thursday, May the 2nd, 2024, at the resumption of the trial at the Federal High Court in Lagos. At the sitting, both parties agreed to settle the matter out of court, after which the trial was adjourned to June the 5th for the hearing of the settlement report. The defense counsel, Chikaosolu Ojukwu, SAN, informed the court that the parties were exploring out-of-court settlement, while adding that his clients and the EFCC have applied that the matter be settled under the provisions of Section 14(2) of EFCC Act. The section of the EFCC Act stipulates that the Attorney General of the Federation has the power to institute, continue, or discontinue criminal proceedings against any persons in any court of law. If you would recall, during its first court appearance for 3-count charges, Cubana Chief Priest pleaded not guilty to the Naira abuse allegation. He was then granted bail in the sum of 10 million Naira with 2 responsible sureties in like sum each. Cubana Chief Priest was arraigned days after controversial cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, aka Bobrisky, was convicted for same violation. So people saw this coming. They actually expected it to go this way, right?
Anyway, Cubana Chief Priest will get locked up.
Is this fair? I was discussing with YK yesterday. I just said she was sitting somewhere and I was just saying something. I said, I'm not a fan of Bobrisky, although I miss him already, even though I don't follow him and I don't know why. Do you understand? So I was saying it to her and I was saying that, but I just feel like that thing that he did without any options or fine wasn't just fair, because if this is the law, let us just take that same, but people would say, oh, the judge has the final say and all that to do whatever thing they want. So she said, from somewhere, she just said, honey, I agree with you. I said, I'm not his fan, but I just like to be objective.
Yeah, I think it's just a case of we just needed, or they just needed somebody as the first scapegoat. So you are going down, others will learn from
So it's for another thing.
The judge has his rights to make whatever judgment he wants to do. I think that's just the case as regards Bobrisky.
Because I just know that Cubana Chief Priest had been like, that subtle brag. That
people thought that the first post he put up after he came out, was insensitive, he shouldn't have done it. But later I now clarified, put in, oh, EFCC, when they call you, just go and answer your question.
So that was
just cover up one way or the other.
That was damage control.
Yeah, but yeah, they've agreed to kind of like settle it out of court. That's more money, by the way, whichever way.
10 million.
And probably
responsible sureties.
Yeah, then probably you will now become an ambassador since you do it regularly. So you'll be like a foot soldier. You know how they do all those all those road marshals and this thing. So they will not make you a marshal that will be going from party to party. Do not, I did do them before, but if you do them, they go lock you up. It's me.
How party wants sweet?
So the way people were doing it when there was COVID or that cash crunch.
Yes, that you will use something in exchange. You will give somebody money and then they will give you the equivalent in paper.
It's more sweeter if you customize your own currency. And that's what people are
saying. And Nigerians can be very creative. Yeah. Because even the Shegun Johnson, who is always saying, when
they put people for trouble.
He has done his own this thing so that, disclaimer, I'll say that, you know, please don't come for me.
There are still a lot of people that I think they are still calling in for questioning.
And guess what? I think somebody was mentioning one party she attended lately and was talking about how they were stoning money. And I'm like, you're going to learn.
Did they record?
You're going to learn.